am Genoveva Quiñones, 98 years old, living in Cabala Union, Philippines. I have been in the Philippines since 2015. I felt my body deteriorating. So I was diagnosed having bursitis, osteoarthritis, severe allergies, cataracts, and maybe some more. So I cannot function anymore. I stayed my bed. I stayed in bed and I said, God, it's my time. I'm 98 years old. I have to wait. I'm coming home. But before I slept, I called my daughter Rosalina and told my situation. And she said, no, Mama, I'll send you a doctor. I told her, I don't like a doctor. I want to go home. And the following day, he sent his son. And he showed me, Lula, I have a magic wand for you. So I said, okay. And she explained to me about iTeracare and did it on my body. And then he left. I slept the whole day. For the first time, I did not wake up until 4 p.m. When I woke up, my daughter, the sister of Rosalina, was here. And he questioned me. I told her everything. I showed her about the iTeracare. And she called Rosalina and she told her what to do. So after my meal, she did it to me again. I slept again the whole night. The following day, why is it that I'm getting weaker? I'm always sleeping and sleeping. I called Rosalina. And she said, Mama, your body is rejuvenating. Keep on sleeping, and when you will wake up, you will be strong. And I did. I had been sleeping in doing the Teracare twice a day. The fourth day, my God, I said, what a miracle. I can lift up my hand. No more bursitis. My arthritis, painful hips and lower extremities, it's gone. My swelling feet and itchy body, they're all gone. And I am alone in my room, so I stood up. I said, is it a miracle? And then I started jumping, marching, and whatever I do now. Oh, it's a miracle. I am changed. Now I can do my duties. So I started cooking, washing my own clothes and everything. I did my usual home chores. And until now, I am strong. And I do the iTeracare twice a day myself. And the best that I have done, my cataracts disappeared. The experience in this iTeracare. I called all my friends, even in other countries, that I am sending rosaries for spiritual growth of people. Now I am sending them something for physical growth, the iTeracare, and they are so happy about it. And they said, how can we get it? Will you lend me yours? No, I can't. But I can tell my daughter who can tell you what to do. My daughter doesn't get a single centavo from you to pay for it. No, it's just her to tell you what to do and be the one to purchase it. That's what I'm doing now. Spreading the whole world about iTeracare, and God help us. Oh, Heavenly Father, I offer this occasion to you to transform your light and love, to emerge in your powerful mercy, to promote this iTeracare around, to make people in sound health.